All right, I have pressure washed the concrete. There's my 30-year-old pressure washer still kicking. So I'm going to take me a little break here, and I think I'm going to start moving some stuff out here. Well, I kind of got this a little bit set up. I can't put my forge out here until I build a top for that. So that's the next thing I gotta do. Build the top for that. And then all these cut off ends, I'm going to build me a stand for my anvil. And I've been meaning to do that. I just never got around to it. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that today or not. I tell you what, I'm starting to feel the pain of what of what I've done here the last few days. Oh yeah, I had this TV. I've just had it for a long time. It's so old. It's not 1080. I think it's well anyway. It's old, and it's not worth anything. I couldn't sell it, so I thought, what the heck? I'll just stick it out here, and maybe we'll sit out here someday. But anyway, I'm getting set up out here. I am going to probably move my table saw out here too, just to have a place to use it until I can build the carport on the back side of the trailer. And I'm going to measure and figure and estimate costs now that I have a better idea of what lumber is costing. So I think I can build a smaller carport, maybe 16 feet long, 12 by 16. I think I can probably do it for about $500-600, maybe less. We'll see. But that's it for today, and that's the end of this carport project, because I've got everything pretty much moved where I want it. The only thing I haven't done is bring my forge out here, and like I said, I got to build a tabletop. That was particle board. And when that awning came down on it, it got rained on and particle board just disintegrated. So that's two things. A tabletop for that, so I can set my forge on it. And I'm going to turn this into an anvil stand. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Oh, let's talk about gamers. I'm kidding. I tell you what, yeah, I'm still thinking about it. It's really made some people not like me. I don't know it's because of my opinion on gamers or it's because I shared my opinion. I don't know. I don't really care, but it truly has been an interesting endeavor. I hear my dog barking. I'm fixing to go find out what she's barking at. I better mute that. Yeah, I bet you 3 seconds of that will get me anyway, yeah, I got TV. I got 21 channels out here. Let's just see what kind of channels we do have. Oh, local news. Movies. Maury. Westerns. That was Haas. Who doesn't know Haas? Yeah, it's kind of digitalized. It's a really crappy antenna that I got. But that's... Oh, grit. I hope I get grit. Come on, grit. Yeah, I got grit. All right. Well, that's digitalized too. Okay, that's it. Alrighty. See ya. Alright, I gotta cut these off, and it's got a little lip here. I gotta cut all these four corners off with my angle grinder with a cutoff wheel. And then I got to drill some holes. I know it's a little dark in here, but new battery. Even this battery's not enough, so apparently I didn't charge it. Yep. So I gotta go all the way over to the other shop and get some charged batteries. for yesterday, I'll tell you that. All right, I'm gonna cut all my boards to the length, 29 inches. And then I'm gonna figure out how to take them drawers out. And I'm going to screw the first one I want to do is right in the middle. And then I'll work my way out that way. But I'm gonna take the drawers out and turn this over. Okay, I gotta flip it back on its feet. And the reason I didn't show me doing this is because it was all on my hands and knees, and that's just way too much fat guy butt for anybody to have to endure. So let me get this flipped over and get the drawers put in. There we go. Got my forge out here, got my propane tank. Now I'm going to get my quench tank. I can't do it now. I can't lift anything. I've had it. But my quench tank is going to go right here, right beside the forge. And yeah, I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot. Okay. I'm still going to make an anvil stand. Oh God, I gotta sit. Okay. Alrighty, I'm happy. It doesn't seem like much, but I did get a lot done today, especially considering how toe up I am from putting this roof up as well. I say quickly, you know, most people may not think it was quick, but because of the steroids, I was able to do way more than I normally am capable of doing. So, alrighty, I'm gonna drink my water and probably go to cutting all them up. And then this bench, it's got a vise on it and everything. That goes on top of those sawhorses. So I'm gonna cut all them up and get them off the sawhorses, put my bench on it, and that's probably it for today. All right, that's it. I'm going home. Tomorrow, I'm going to build my anvil stand. I'm going to put my anvil right here. And then I'll get my quench tank and put it on the other side. And I'm going to kind of have a light day tomorrow. I'm starting to hurt pretty bad. I'm going home and I'm taking some ibuprofen. And we'll see how that pans out.